Over 50% of this community is green space just like this. Gorgeous, we've got bike paths, hiking trails, look out for the wildlife. We've got golf course, we've even got the river close by. Where are we today? I'm gonna show you Valley Ridge. Allum here with the Calgary home sale team, and if you like more videos real estate related, whether they be beautiful homes that were done or investor related ones, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Today we get to show you a beautiful house in this community, easily one of the most desirable communities in the Northwest. If you like winter sport, you're just heading yourself out towards the mountains. We, of course, as I mentioned, have golf in the summer, and with 50% of this community being green space, you're either backing onto the golf course or the environmental reserve. The property we're going to show you today backs onto that. This is 13 Valley Woods Way. Let's take a look inside. Welcome inside. This was a former Albee show home. Lots of space even just at this entrance for you, including your office over to the side. And this is your open concept main floor, which takes you past this extremely impressive 11.5-foot quartz countertop. Definitely going to be the focal point for your family and gatherings. For the chef in the house, you're definitely going to appreciate all of this counter space and of course this Viking gas range, which is going to make sure you make your meal prep happen in style. After you prepared that fantastic meal, let me take you over and see exactly where we're going to enjoy it all. Whether it's with your family, taking in conversation, getting to know each other, friends coming over, or of course, if you want to take it in, with a wonderful candlelight dinner in your formal dining space. Your more intimate family and friend time happens right here in the living room. We've got this wonderful natural light from the 2 skylights above. If you want to actually be cozy in the evening, of course, we've got the fireplace and more natural light coming in from the back. Winter time, where do I put my stuff after I come in? More so, where does the family put it? How about this? Everybody's got their own built-in space, whether it's for your hats or gloves, your own personal locker for boots and jackets. More built-ins back here, of course, right next to your laundry. Now come with me, we're gonna take a trip upstairs where we're actually gonna check out the primary bedroom and its wonderful ensuite. Okay, now this is not your average primary bedroom. Come on inside and take a look at this. We've got ample space for your king-size bed all the way up to these vaulted ceilings. You're gonna love to start and end your day right here. You even got yourself your private balcony just outside. Now what I like to showcase about the ensuite is the fact that you have so much space. Of course, you got your water closet over here. Directly behind is your own personal stand-up shower, and you don't have to worry about tripping over your partner because everybody's got their own sinks. Now directly behind us, of course, is a fantastic walk-in closet. Check out the rest of upstairs. We take you past the linen closet to check out the other 2 bedrooms, as well as a full 4-piece bathroom. Now, one of the things that I do want to make sure to mention to you, of course, is that both of the bedrooms up here feature California closets. We've seen the house. I want to show you something really special that hits home for someone like me. Downstairs is all about media and creativity. Let's go take a look. And we take a look at some more wonderful built-ins down here that are multifunctional, whether this becomes your personal library, DVD storage for your media, or if it was your personal spirit collection or wines. Of course, we've got your bar fridge here as well. But talking about creativity, this is where the magic really happens for the budding musician. You've got yourself your own studio. The rest of downstairs definitely was not just an afterthought. You've got wonderful cork flooring, This here inside of the media space continues with your audio built-ins and a nice fireplace with above the mantle to actually put your own TV. Directly behind me through the double doors, we've got a double use room, oversized bedroom, or it could be another games area. How about this over here? This, as I said, not an afterthought, might be the most feature-rich bathroom in the entire house. Heated floors, granite countertops, and a steam shower. It's all about family, entertainment, and privacy here in the backyard of this property. First of all, your massive deck that spans the entire back of the house. Taking you here, we do have a south-facing backyard, mature trees. And if you look up into the trees, you'll actually see up top there's a fort for the kids to actually play. Thanks for taking the tour of 13 Valley Woods Way with me today. If you want to have a chance to check out the property yourself, make sure you reach out to me and we'll set up a tour, or to see any other property here in Valley Ridge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Drew, and I'll see you in the next video.